If you are working as an Azure administrator and you've been tasked to be managing virtual machine, or you have a test environment and you want your virtual machine to automatically shut down should the case you forget to shut it down yourself. By leaving a virtual machine 24 hours running in Azure, it costs you a lot of money. So here I have this virtual machine. Sometimes I do forget to actually put off my virtual machine or to shut it down. So what you want to do to actually configure kind of an auto shutdown is to go to under operations. You can see we have the auto shutdown. At this moment it's actually turned to off. So I can actually turn it to on. And here you can see it says it's going to actually turn off by 11 p.m. I can just change this to like 10 p.m. At the time, you can actually change this to your own zone. So I'm going to leave this to Brussels. And it says send notification before auto shutdown. We can actually say yes or no. And if you are saying yes, if you say no, you can see if you are saying yes, you need to add an email address. So by doing that, we just need to only click save. So by clicking save, you can see it says the update of schedule successful. So by clicking save, which means by 10 p.m., if I forget to put off this device or to shut down this device, the device will be shut down automatically for me, which of course is going to allow me to save a lot of money. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow my channel. Bye.